Ever wished you could skip those long airport security lines and keep your shoes on while going through screening? That's exactly what TSA PreCheck is for. But how does it actually work? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about TSA PreCheck, how to apply, the benefits, who qualifies, and whether it's worth it for you. But first, welcome to Travel Wisdom. Have you used TSA PreCheck before? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out the links in the description. Now let's get started. TSA PreCheck is a trusted traveler program run by the Transportation Security Administration, or TSA, that allows low-risk travelers to go through airport security faster and with fewer restrictions. It's designed to make the screening process quicker and more convenient, reducing the amount of time passengers spend in security lines. TSA PreCheck members get access to dedicated lanes and are subject to a more relaxed screening process, meaning fewer hassles at the checkpoint. How do you apply for TSA PreCheck? Start by filling out a quick application on the TSA website. It takes about 5 minutes and asks for basic personal information such as name, address, and travel history. After submitting your online application, you'll need to schedule an in-person appointment at an enrollment center. There are over 500 locations across the United States, often found in airports, government buildings, or third-party locations. This part includes a background check, fingerprinting, and identity verification. TSA will check your criminal history and confirm that you do not pose a security risk. The appointment only takes about 10 minutes. TSA PreCheck costs $78 for a 5-year membership, though some credit cards and travel loyalty programs may reimburse this fee. Once approved, you'll receive a known traveler number, or KTN, via email or mail. This number is essential because you must enter it when booking flights to receive TSA PreCheck benefits. What are the benefits of TSA PreCheck? TSA PreCheck members use dedicated lanes which move much faster than regular security lines, often reducing wait times to under 5 minutes. Unlike standard security screening, TSA PreCheck travelers do not need to take off their shoes, belts, or light jackets, making the process much smoother. Standard security requires you to remove electronics and liquids, but TSA PreCheck members can keep them in their bags, speeding up the process. TSA PreCheck is available at most major U.S. airports and is accepted by more than 85 airlines, making it highly convenient for frequent travelers. Since the screening process is simplified, there is a lower chance of being selected for additional screening or pat-downs. And finally, children 12 and under can accompany their TSA PreCheck approved parent or guardian through the expedited lane without needing their own membership. When booking your flight, enter your known traveler number, or KTN, into the airline's reservation system. Your boarding pass will display a TSA PreCheck indicator, usually marked as TSA Pre. At the airport, head to the designated TSA PreCheck security lane, typically marked by signs. Enjoy a faster screening experience without having to remove your shoes, belt, laptop, or liquids. Who is eligible for TSA PreCheck? U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents are eligible to apply. Frequent travelers may receive invitations through certain airline loyalty programs. Active duty U.S. military members and certain federal employees, such as those in the Department of Defense, automatically receive TSA PreCheck benefits without needing to apply. Individuals with certain criminal convictions or security concerns may not be approved. Common misconceptions about TSA PreCheck. TSA PreCheck is not available for international travel. While TSA PreCheck helps at U.S. airports, it does not grant expedited security when returning to the U.S. from another country. However, pairing it with global entry can provide additional benefits for international travelers. Approval is not instant. While many applicants receive approval within a few days, some applications can take up to 60 days due to background check delays. Not every airport has TSA PreCheck lanes open all the time. Some smaller airports or airlines may not offer TSA PreCheck at every checkpoint, so always check ahead. Is TSA PreCheck worth it? If you fly more than a few times a year, TSA PreCheck can save you time and stress. It's especially useful for frequent travelers, business professionals, and families who want a smoother airport experience. Considering that the cost is only $78 for 5 years, it can be a great investment in convenience. Plus, many travel credit cards reimburse the application fee, making it an even better deal. TSA PreCheck makes airport security faster, easier, and less stressful. If you want to breeze through security without the usual hassle, it might be worth considering. Have you used TSA PreCheck before? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips. Also, check out the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Safe travels. Bye.